to be on the river, buddy?
Oh yeah.
Having fun out here?
Heck yeah.
You glad to be at camp?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Glad to hear it. Woo! What do you say, Conrad? How you doing, buddy? Woo! Thumbs up. All right. Woo! Are you excited to be on the river? Look at that smile. Woo-hoo! What do you say, y'all? Having fun on the river? Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Oh yeah, Michael. Digging them in. Yeah. Tubular. So tubular. Michael, what do you say, bro?
It's so killing.
Oh, it's killing! Oh my God! Oh, I got so pitted! Oh. Crikey, mate! Is that what I think it is? Yeah. Is that a giant African crocodile? Is it, Michael?
No, it's not. That's your tree log.
Oh, he thinks it's just a tree log. I'm not sure, though. We'll have to move in closer. Oh my God, mate! I can't believe the carnage! Oh my! Oh my goodness! What do you say, Sam Leota? Ah! We're gonna move it on downstream now, mate! Oh! Oh my goodness! Look up there at that blue heron tree. It's slowly dying a slow and painful death because these blue herons are constantly defecating all over these trees. Can you believe that? It's amazing. This guide over here just about pulled this young lady into the river. Can you believe that? Yeah, yell at her.
I want to go in the big stuff.
Alright, is that legally binding?
Really fun.
Yoo-hoo! Whitewater boating, huh? You got soaked? That's gnarly, bro. Yeah, we got pitted. We got so pitted. Look at that handsome smile, Michael. You handsome devil, you. What about a thumbs up for camp? Oh yeah, look at that profile. Oh my goodness. That's going on Outside Magazine. Oh my gosh. Onward and upward! So Abby, how do you like being a junior counselor at Ascendigo?
Honestly, it's probably the best job I've ever had. I get paid to go out on the river every day, so I can't complain.
Woo! What do you think of our campers?
I'm learning a lot already. It's only been 2 days, and it's really exciting getting to know some of the campers. They're super cool and fun to work with. So.
Oh, that's so awesome. Now how about we find some white water? Yeah! 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 The king of the river! There he is! He's the king! The king of the river! The king of the river! Ladies and gentlemen, this has been one epic day of whitewater adventuring here on the Lower Roaring Fork, also known as Cemetery, with our guide John Tidd. Yeah, that's right.